Currently, with the massive load of carbohydrates in our foods, our bodies are conditioned to burn carbs for energy instead of fat, because it is an easier energy source for the body to use up. The problem is that the carbs are not the body's ideal source of energy, therefore we are usually left feeling tired, stressed, and drained at the end of each day. Why Ketosis Advanced works. Ketosis Advanced forces your body to burn fat for energy instead of carbs. Ketosis is the state where your body is actually burning fat for energy instead of carbs. Ketosis is extremely hard to obtain on your own and takes weeks to accomplish. Ketosis Advanced actually helps your body achieve ketosis fast and helps you burn fat for energy instead of carbs. When your body is in ketosis, you are actually burning stored fat for energy and not carbs. Fat is the body's ideal source of energy, and when you are in ketosis you experience the energy and mental clarity like never before, and of course very rapid weight loss. Nutritional ketosis has been believed too difficult to achieve. But Ketosis Advanced Energy Ketones puts your body in ketosis. Ketosis Advanced is a supplement and keto diet program that allows the body to begin converting into a state of ketosis. Featuring a special blend of ingredients, Ketosis Advanced is a safe and simple way to support a ketosis diet. The Ketosis Advanced supplement contains beta-hydroxybutyrate. BHB supports the metabolic state and supports ketosis into action. Revisiting the scenario from before, if you either take supplemental forms or if your body is making beta-hydroxybutyrate, it is able to start processing in your body. Beta-hydroxybutyrate floats around in your blood, and importantly, can cross different important barriers to be able to be turned into energy at all times. One of the most important areas where this happens is in the brain. The blood-brain barrier, BBB, is usually a very tightly regulated interface. But since BHB is such a rock star and so hydrophilic, your brain knows to let it in so it can support energy. This is one of the main reasons why increased BHB levels can lead to heightened mental acuity. Get slim, healthy, and confident again with our unique Ketosis Advanced program. Ideal for both men and women, Ketosis Advanced is a dynamic and powerful ketosis dietary program that will assist in weight loss, promote abdominal fat burn, and support better digestion and sleep. The Ketosis Advanced program supports weight loss, burning fat in trouble areas, getting into ketosis fast, burning fat for energy without the jitters, better brain health, maintaining lean muscle. Ketosis Advanced with BHB is here to stay because of the unsurmountable success people are having losing up to 1 pound of fat per day. The Ketosis Advanced program is a one-of-a-kind ketosis system designed to help you lose weight and feel amazing. Ketosis Advanced is a supplement and diet program that allows the body to begin converting into a state of nutritional ketosis. Featuring a special blend of ingredients, Ketosis Advanced is a safe and simple way to achieve ketosis. Ketosis Advanced is extremely easy to use and experiences fast weight loss results. Take 2 Ketosis Advanced capsules daily with water. Eat keto-friendly meals and snacks throughout the day. Enjoy improved energy and focus while our body uses fat for energy. When you order your first shipment of Ketosis Advanced, you'll also receive our results-based online fitness program and ketosis diet guide. This information is exclusively for Ketosis Advanced customers and is not available to the general public. Once you are in a state of nutritional ketosis, staying in ketosis is as simple as maintaining a keto-friendly diet, plenty of exercises, and enjoying all the benefits Ketosis Advanced has to offer. Ketosis Advanced is always there for you when you need it. And the good news that it is 100% all natural. Ketosis Advanced was made for those who have trouble following the keto diet or for those who want to enter ketosis effortlessly. Browse through the many benefits of going into a ketogenic state. If you're looking for a way to get into ketosis painlessly, start by visiting Ketosis Advanced website for more information. Visit Ketosis Advanced now. You will find the link below in the description.